hit some crosswinds coming down here, thing starts pushing you out, you just correct it back where you want it and hit the switch and boom, holds it, just tracks.
The voice of the customer. I am here today with Jim at the Crystal Beach Jayco Integra SuperSteer Rally. So Jim, you're able to actually come to our shop before this rally and you got some work done. So just would love to hear from you about what you think about all those upgrades now that you've actually got the chance to put them to the test.
Absolutely. So yeah, thanks for the time and making the video. They're great products, obviously. The products kind of sell themselves, but the products aren't the only thing. Your company, the history with your grandfather, with your father, really adds to the overall value of what you guys have got going on. This is a 2018 Jayco Seneca on an M2 chassis. Because I lived in California, I decided to make the trip up to to Grants Pass and have everything done that could be done on it. SumoSprings, Koni shocks, track bars, sway bars, rear MCUs, and the addition of being prototype install, I guess, of a rear dump valve.
Yep.
And which I love, by the way. It's awesome. The service from the initial contact via email, multiple back and forths with Jesse on the pricing and the structure of what was going to be done, was just first class. I mean, to me, it's just the entire thing was a first class experience from initial contact till you saw me driving down the road when it was done. And it handled great going back over the passes, coming back from Oregon to Northern California. And then drive down here, same thing, really great ride. I really had a good chance on this drive down here. I did a little bit on the drive from Oregon, but I hit some crosswinds coming down here, and boy, the SuperSteer Trim Unit, where you can, I like to drive with just kind of one hand when I can, right? And especially going down long roads and thing starts pushing you out, you just correct it back where you want it and hit the switch and boom, holds it, just tracks. So
I know we had talked about doing a video at the shop after we did the follow-up drive, but I think this is much more meaningful now that you've really had the chance to live with these upgrades, put them to the test, over 1,500 miles of testing.
Yeah, more. The trip from Oregon down, we're probably closer to 2,500 miles total.
Down to,
probably 2,500 miles total now. And again, we're continuing on from Crystal Beach, Texas to New Orleans, and then to see my brother in the Florida Panhandle for a week, and then we're driving it all the way back to the property in Arizona. So going to get some road miles on it. I'm really glad that these upgrades have all been done now. You have a great organization. You got great staff.
We really do.
This couple behind
our camera guy and
couple
his
behind
wife
the camera, Jesse, Carol, all the service techs have just been, they were great to deal with.
Really appreciate all that feedback. That's really great to hear. I'm really proud of our team, proud of the legacy of Henderson's lineup and SuperSteer. We got a great team, absolutely. What kind of advice would you give somebody who's trying to decide, should I do some of these upgrades? Should I go to Henderson's? They're kind of on the fence about it. What would you say?
I think if you are in a position to be able to go to Oregon, go to Grants Pass, it's very beneficial to go have the work done at your shop. The knowledge base is there. The team is there. If there's an issue, it can be fixed on the parts inventory is there. It's a great experience. And I would say to anyone that's watching the video, reach out to Henderson's and you'll have a great customer experience. And as far as this content and on their YouTube channel, you should subscribe, should like the video, you should stay connected. And you can reach out to Henderson's, and Henderson's can put you in contact with me if you'd like, and I'd be more than happy to talk to you directly about upgrades on your rig, specifically a Freightliner M2 chassis.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Jim.
Yeah,
really
thanks,
appreciate
Tommy.
you. You're an awesome customer. Appreciate all the help you've been to us at this rally too. Our camera guy needed some help, and you helped him with a knee brace. So you're awesome, Jim.
Yeah, I couldn't have you crawling around on that knee, Rich.
Yep. All right. Well, until next time, we want to wish you all safer and happier driving. Thank you. The voice of the customer.